The type of services that Dyezz provides are access control systems, cameras, alarms, intercoms, pre-wires, both residential and commercial. In the near future, I see Dyezz going to be one of the largest companies in the Austin area, as well as expanding into the Dallas, Houston, San Antonio markets larger. Well, we start from the beginning, work our way back as far as helping business owners provide what they need, and we talk about their wants and needs versus the basics, and then we build a custom system based on those needs.
I do quite a bit of things, but my main role is IT, so what I do is I answer anywhere from customer calls, going on site to make, customers not be seen online, visits, fixing stuff, diagnosing, repair computers, phone support, also handle a lot of the internal computer stuff, a lot of the computers down, printers down for internal offices, not only just for customers, but also internal here at Dyezz itself. So.
The Better Business Bureau Award in 2015, that was actually one of our bigger ones, and we're only eligible for it every 3 to 4 years. That was the Torch Award for Ethics and Excellence. We actually put together a whole submission. We're judged by an entire panel of our peers of larger, smaller businesses here in Austin, and determined that the way we operated our business was not only productive on the business side, making money for our stockholders and our business as a whole, but taking care of the customers, being ethical and honest along the way. Like I said, not everybody can be 100% satisfied, but it's the fact that we go above and beyond to try and figure out what happened, why it didn't work, and make it work better the next time.